I think the machine's definitely seen better days. Smile, you're on camera. God knows how that thing's still going. Enjoy your food, Rich. Is that because you couldn't get it in your mouth? Right. What was wrong with it?
Not enough noodles.
And too many
vegetables.
So the things that are good for you,
Too many of them.
and the things that once are good for you,
Not enough of them.
but all not bad.
Let it be, let it be, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be.
You look like a mushroom with that on.
Mushroom?
Yeah.
Does it not look good?
No, that's fine, mate. You'd carry anything off. Done.